Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to disable the Show Gmail Chat tab on your PC after the latest update. If you're looking to declutter your Gmail experience, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Gmail inbox, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down, select See All Settings. This option will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your Gmail. Now, look for the Labels section in the settings menu. Click on it to expand the options available. Here you'll find a list of labels that you can manage. Scroll down until you see the entry for Chats. Once you find it, you'll notice a button next to it labeled Show or Hide. Click on the Hide option to disable the Chats tab, and that's it. You've successfully disabled the Gmail Chat tab on your PC. Now your inbox will feel a bit more organized without that extra distraction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Gmail experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.